Bro, why does my stomach only growl in maximum volume when the room is dead silent? I'm in class. No one talking, no music, just pure exam tension. And my stomach goes... Everyone looks up like there's a demon in the building. I'm suddenly shuffling papers, fake coughing, acting like it was the chair. I even move a little like, haha, this chair is so squeaky, right? My stomach's in there hosting a live concert and I didn't buy tickets. Next time I'm eating a whole meal before I walk into a quiet room, I'm not risking that demon sound again.